friends, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Karen. Welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be decorating my family room and home office. And in case you missed it, I already decorated my kitchen and dinette area. I will link that video below. But basically, I want to create the atmosphere of autumn here in the home. I love the autumnal hues, and I want a little natural as far as the colors, the color palette in my kitchen and dinette. But you're gonna see I'm flowing more into the fall colors in my family room, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So, but first, what video would it be if we didn't have something cozy to make while we are decorating? So today I'm gonna make this delicious, creamy tortellini vegetable soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started for the soup, and then we're gonna go take this sweater off and start decorating. So welcome. I love creating an autumnal atmosphere inside my home. And as the cooler air starts to settle in, I can't help to think about the crisp morning air, blue skies, sweater weather, warm boots, football season, and the beautiful autumn hues, cozy hearty soups, and sitting by the fire. So today I decided I was gonna make a delicious autumn soup to enjoy later today. This soup is a delicious, creamy tortellini vegetable soup. So easy to make. You can make it in a slow cooker or an Instant Pot, but I decided today I just wanted to smell all the delicious scents of the carrots and of the celery and onions and garlic and the tortellini cooking here in my kitchen as I decorate my home for the fall season. To start off my Decorate With Me today, I wanted to share with you my thought behind my theme this year, and it really hasn't changed much from year to year as far as the color scheme that I've chosen for my family room. I love the autumnal hues, the bright burnt oranges and the burgundies and the golds and the browns. And so here I have a whitewash lantern that I received like 2 years ago, I think for my birthday. And I just add some beading here, faux beading with some leaves and pine cones. And of course, you know how much I love my flameless candles. And so I'm going to be using one of those with a glass cloche. And I love glass cloches because they could be used decoratively, but also if you were to make a cheese ball and you'll be entertaining for the holidays or really any time of the year, it's the perfect accessory. I love the way this beautiful piece of furniture we purchased at the first of the year looks when I've got the flameless candles lit up inside in the evening. Of course, I lit them up for the sake of the video, but at night it just creates that beautiful ambience that I love. And you can't go wrong again with the flameless candles. And I will show you what this looks like in the evenings, and it is just so pretty. One of my favorite areas to decorate, especially during the fall and the holiday season, is my coffee table. This was actually a thrift find years and years, probably like 15 years ago from, I think it was Goodwill. And I love this wrought iron table. But to get started, of course, I've got my tray here, my wooden tray. And I'm adding a candle ring, a faux leaf candle ring. And I like to just layer starting with some faux leaves for the beautiful color. And then you're gonna see here, I'm gonna start adding some pine cones and these beautiful acorns. And then I've got these velvet pumpkins and rattan pumpkins. And it's just a matter of just layering each piece on for color and for texture. and the pops of this beautiful burnt orange along with the burgundy and the beige, and I love the yellow flowers in this amber vase. I love the way this turned out. You can have so much fun with decorating trays like I shared in my Decorate With Me kitchen and dinette. And again, I did have a screen before that you can screenshot if you need some ideas on what you want to put inside your different trays, but I just love how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And again, I love to add decorative pillows, and as you will see shortly, I love to add throws to my room to make it warm and cozy. And right now I'm adding these gorgeous copper, this acorn, and this pumpkin. I've had these for so many years, and I know I purchased them at Home Goods. And I love the copper look, especially in my family room. I love to dress up my furniture with autumnal throws. Look at this beautiful burnt orange. These pillows I got from Kirkland's, and the pop of the burnt orange is just simply stunning. And of course, I love this fall sweet fall pillow. I think I got a few years ago. And of course, Archie was getting nice and cozy here on the couch as I was decorating. Adding an array of blankets and throws not only it's like a decorative item, like I said a little bit ago, but it makes my couch feel welcoming and nice and cozy. Now onto my mantle. I'm really keeping things simple this year, friends. I'm learning as I get older, less is more. I do not want my house to look like Cracker Barrel, and I'm not saying that in any kind of a mean way. I'm just learning that I think less is more is so much more elegant. It's more simpler, and that's why I decided I'm going to just put a few things on my mantle this year. So of course I wanted to start off and give it a nice good cleaning. And all I did was add some stems together. And I love the colors again, bringing out those autumn shades in this beautiful gold vase I think I got from Target this past summer. And then over to the right, I'm adding these beautiful gold candlesticks, and they are a set of 3. Now, I love to decorate in odd numbers. And I'm also going to be adding again my flameless candlesticks, which I love so much, and it just creates that coziness here on my mantle. And then off to the left, I decided I wanted to add a gold pumpkin, and as you will see, I add another one here because after looking at it for a bit, I thought, you know what, I need to put this pumpkin I've been trying to put somewhere in my house, and I decided to add it right next to the other one. I will show you here in a bit. But again, when you're using blankets, you want to have them spilling out of one of your baskets. And this one is just, again, so pretty. And of course, my gather pillow. And now for the table behind my couch, I have to, of course, I got to share my grandbabies. And to me, they are the focal point of my decorating because they are my pride, my joy, my love. So I've got them here on the table behind the couch. Again, just adding a candle holder, some faux leaves candle ring, a flameless candle. And I also wanted to talk to you real quick about my Hotel Collection diffuser. And you can have different scents in it throughout the year. And they also are the same company as the Aroma 360. It's gonna smell so pretty in my house. I know some of you were asking before, do you get mixed up with the scents of like your hotel collection diffuser and your Scentsy scents? And no, I really try to keep everything within the same family. Now I'm adding some of my autumn books that I read last year that I pulled back out again. And oh my gosh, they're so good. I'll list these books in the description section. And look at this beautiful crocheted pumpkin we received last year as a set of 3 from Gina. Gina, thank you so much. I love these pumpkins. Archie is just enjoying the day today as I have the beautiful music on and scenery. He's taking his naps, and now I'm just gonna sit back and let you enjoy how beautifully my family room turned out.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
And now we are off to my home office. So when you walk into our front door and turn to the right there, in a big wide open room is my home office. When we built our home, I did not want a dining room because of the fact we have an open concept home. My kitchen, my dinette area, my family room are all open. Even the stairs when you walk into our foyer are open to the family room. So I just had a vision of wanting a home office. And as you know, if you've watched my videos throughout the years, we've changed the colors and even the furniture to be much brighter. So I wanted to keep the decor very simple, just sticking with the neutral shades, the sage, and this vase was a blue vase. Why I even bought a blue vase, because we have no blue in our home. And my husband painted it in a dupe for Pottery Barn. And this vase was only $19.99, and I know the one that's similar from Pottery Barn is over $100. So here I'm adding some pampas grass, and I did share with you just some directions on how to take care and maintain pampas grass. So I'm putting together a very simple and neutral arrangement. I went into the kitchen and checked on my soup and it was ready and I was starving, so I decided to pour myself a nice cup of tortellini soup, take a little bit of a break before finishing filming the home office. And let me tell you, friends, this soup is so delicious. If you make it, make sure you let me know in the comment section. What theme are you going towards this year for the autumn season? Let me know. I'm curious. Do you like the neutrals? Do you like the autumn hues? As you can see in my decor, I've added a little bit of everything. Let me know what your favorite part of the decor was. I always love to hear your comments and feedback. You all have always been so lovely and supportive, and I can't thank you enough. Just here at the end of my video, a few things that I changed up since I shared my Decorate With Me kitchen and dinette. I added a few more autumnal picks here to this beautiful vase, and I love how it's looking fuller. And actually I added some fresh dried eucalyptus, and I just love the added touch. And as I mentioned in my Decorate With Me kitchen video, did change this up again. So you'll see I got this cute pumpkin mug, and I've got my pumpkin to go cup. So far I'm really liking how this turned out. Friends, I hope you enjoyed my Decorate With Me family room and home office. I tell you what, my husband came home and he said, Karen, this is the best yet this year. He goes, I love what you did. It's not too much, it's just perfect. So he loves it. He gave me a thumbs up. So I hope that you enjoy this too. Give us thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. We have so many decorating videos in store for you. And it's not just decorating each video. It's gonna be tips. It's gonna be so many things. And you guys just wait. And I so much appreciate all of you coming along for the ride with our new direction of our channel. And oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about it. So happy fall, friends. Love you. And next time I'm gonna be decorating my foyer and front porch for the autumn season. We'll see you then. Bye.